Hey, welcome back to another video of eText. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete chats in Character AI. To delete chats in Character AI, follow these steps. Go to your Character AI homepage and click on the chat you want to delete. Once the chat is open, look for the three dots. And you can see Delete Message button. Confirm the deletion if prompt. If you want to delete multiple chats at once, you may be able to select them and then use a batch delete option depending on the platform's update. But currently, you cannot delete in batch. Deleting chats remove them from your account, but action might not be reversible. If you are unable to find the delete option or experience issue, it could be a temporary glitch and you may want to try refreshing the page or logging out and back in. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.